Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Apparently there's a little bird attacking my dad's truck. If anybody knows what type of bird this is, please let me know. Because I am very, very confused. My cousin says it's a crow.
It's pure black, it's a crow. It's probably a female though.
You think so?
Yep.
Well,
Males are the prettier ones and females aren't.
okay. Well, it's attacking my dad's silver mirror. I mean, crows do love their shiny things. I'm surprised it's not attacking me from a bracelet. This is hilarious. It just stopped. It is looking at us.
Yeah, because it doesn't know what to do.
Gotta keep going. It's slipping. This was a wonderful suggestion from my father, so if you guys are enjoying this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye, my little petals.